It's race 2 of the track 2 layout. It is super chilly out here today. In this land, we're going to find out who will win, who will lose, and who will be on top. Pinky the Grasshoppers with the 2 dead last teams today. To see if they will come dead last again. Zappers won it, and Zappers win it again. Here's the starting block. Here we are. Look at the Field Central there in front of Circus Clowns, who are back out there again. Oh, the little mark up there. Oh, they went off the track. And Electric Eels have won it. Who comes dead last? Oh, burning flares. That is not good. So Seal Central will be dead last. Electric Eels will win it, so that's a great comeback for them. Circus Clowns having another decent result. And then looking, oh no! Zappers get caught up. So 2 DNS once more. Seal Centrals. Zappers. 2 teams that were in the top half of the last wave. So that shows the power that anything could happen in these races. But anyway, that was race 2. Race 3 will be out soon. And let's see who will survive for the Dyls Survival Cup.